Alright guys, welcome back. I made it to the Barnegat lighthouse. Gonna be doing some fishing today. I drove 2 hours to get here, so hopefully it's worth it. This is my first time here. Gonna try and explore it, see what the hype is all about. My goal for today is fish along the rocks. I'm guessing tog, bluefish, flounder. I think those are like the three main suspects for today. Let's see how this goes. Stay tuned. All right, starting off with some sand fleas on a 2-aught circle hook. 2-ounce pyramid sinker. Let's see what's down there. I have a feeling there's going to be some tog, maybe some sea bass. If I'm lucky, some sheep's head. Let's see how this goes. Fish on. There you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice head shakes. Feels nice and heavy. There you go. Yeah.
You just put it in?
Yeah. Some days it's like that, man.
Now what kind of fish is that?
This is called a blackfish. Yeah, certain days is like that, man. Certain days you got to really fight for them, and certain days, you know, all you got to do is just put your bait in there and boom, you're good. All right. Last look on this guy. Fish on. There you go. There you go. So we got a bit of an audience here. There you go. Beautiful blackfish.
What fish is it?
This is called a blackfish.
Is it still alive?
It's still alive.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna put him back in the water. There you go. All right. Thank you, Mr. Blackfish. All right. So let me just show you what I'm doing with the sand fleas. So all I'm doing is taking the hook, and going right through the center here. See this part? Looks right there. See that little pointy part right there? That's where I'm going through. See, look, what I'm doing right here, right in front of me. What's that? Maybe 10 feet in front of me. No more than that. This guy right there, best fisherman on the jetty right there. Yeah, there he goes. Gorging himself on peanut bunker. There you go, fish. Oh, this one's fighting good. Oh, he broke me off. Look at that. Broke me off. That was a big one. That felt really good. Oh well. Let's retie. All right, so I retied. Let's get back out there. There you go. Fish on. All right, let's keep this guy out of the rocks, hopefully. Yep, he's in the rocks already. There you go. He's coming up. He's coming up. All right. This one's a little bigger. Yeah. All right. We upgraded. A little higher, a little bigger. All right. To tog. Tog. They're called blackfish. Yeah. Boy, this guy's really doing a number on my leader here. Anyway, all right. Before he squirms out, let's give you one last look here. Yeah, there it goes. Ho, ho. All right, let's try that again. So there you go. Last look. Check out his chompers. All right, bud.
What kind of fish was that?
Blackfish. Yeah. All right, so we're getting on them. Sand fleas seems to be doing a trick. All right, so we found a nice little hole here. Put some tog in it. We got ourselves a video. So what I'm doing, as soon as I cast it out, I let it sink to the bottom and I wait and see. I wait about 5 taps. If I don't get anything within 5 taps, my bait's not there. Bring it back up and rebait. All right, so it just sank to the bottom. There goes 1, 2 taps, 3 taps, 4, 5. Oh no! They broke me off again. No! All right, time to retie again. All right, so now I'm getting a little crazy. I'm doing a high-low with sand fleas. Right there. Same thing, 2-ounce sinker. Go big or go home, right? Let's see what happens. Double tog, that would be great. I doubt it. I've never done that before. This would be the first time in history. All right, fish on. Something on, something on. It's fighting good. It is fighting good. What is it? Oh, another blackfish. Yes! Right. I doubled up. Doubled up on tog on the high-low. That's never happened before. All right. Good time. All right, let's get him off the hook here. This is interesting. This has never happened before.
Oh my god.
Look at that. All right. So this is the smaller one. This guy was on the bottom. Let's go with the top one. I'm going to say this guy's at 14. I don't think he's a keeper. I don't have a measuring tape anyway, so we're just going to estimate. Big and chunky though. Got some girth to him. All right, big guy. This guy was the guy on top. All right. Check out those chompers. These guys are made for eating crustaceans. All right. I lost count. I think that's about 4 or 5 for the day. I'm having fun. Let's keep this going. All right, second drop with the high-low. That first drop, caught 2. Never happened before. That was fun. Yes, fish on. Let's get this guy up out of the rocks. Ugh. All right. Man, they're getting bigger and bigger. I like this. All right. I'd say this guy's a keeper. I don't know. I'm guessing. I don't know. Without a ruler, there's really no way of confirming, but this guy's pretty good. Nice chunky blackfish. There he goes, and he fell right back in. Later, big guy. All right, can we go for one more? Let's go for one more. And then I think I'm done. There you go, fish on. Yep, I got something on. Oh, this guy's fighting hard. This guy's trying to go in the rocks really, really hard. Get over here, buddy. Let's get him over the rocks. No, no, come on, swim out. I don't want to horse him in. There he goes. Oh, this guy's a keeper. Hell yeah, there you go. That's what I'm talking about. Finally, keeper of the day. Yes. All right, guys, last fish of the day. I finally got my keeper. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Guys, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. Get out there, explore some more. Hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun making it.